Hey, what's going on, guys? Hopefully you're doing right today. That was more of GGG dot with lemon water. I'm gonna check out some games today. There's a whole big demo event going on right now. There's another one starting Monday, I think. Uh, and I'm getting emailed things like all the time. So I'm checking out some of the ones I got emailed. Um, and we will see where things go from there. But how's my weekend? I slept in because I stayed up late last night. That's how it's going. And you like the little ad widget? Yeah, it's interesting. It's taken a bit to get here. I've been working on this kind of behind the scenes for a while, but I have I got a cat in my lap right now, but oh, I did add LEDs to it. I don't know why. can't I can't tell if that one is just on very gently or if it's just catching the light. I think it's just catching the light. But I did make holes in the case that I had 3D printed, and of course I made one. I made one for a bigger LED, but that was like, so there's a difference between like an indicator LED and like a LED that like makes light and like projects light. And I used one of the ones that projects light, so it was like shining into my retinas. So, and that was a bigger LED than the indicator one that I had. So now I have too big of a hole, but that's okay because I want to redesign the case because this is just somebody's case that I printed, and is not as good as I think it could be. And I want to mount it to my monitor, so I need to modify it anyway. So, give me a second here. I didn't tweet. You know, I didn't tweet last stream. Squeet, whatever we call them now. But I'm gonna be checking out Dorts, which is a dart roguelike, and Lured In, which is a little fishing kind of game. If there's more time after that, I've got a million different things I could check out. But I do have other projects I was thinking of trying to work on today. I don't know. I'm like, I never understand how the summer is the busiest time of the year for me. I think it's because like at work, there's really not a whole lot going on. So I'm like, like, time to relax. But like my personal life just gets so fucking busy. I was just talking to Haley. I was trying to go to that Red Vox show in Brooklyn, but I think my family's doing birthday stuff that day. I'm going to the Renaissance Fair soon. My friend's getting married after the summer ends, but still the New York Comic Con that we're going to. All these different streaming demo things. I got banned every Friday. I don't know. I just feel like I have no time in my life. It's weird. I say spending 5 hours streaming after work every day. But let me boot up Dorts here. Let me focus this camera. Hello. Camera, please. There we go. Grizzle Sauce Twitch TV. Yeah, all right. Cool, dude. Tutorial. Throwing. Welcome to the den, your first stop on the circuit. Let's get some darts in your hand. Is that me in the top left corner? Your aim drifts on its own. That's your hand sway. Watch the reticle wander and learn its rhythm before you commit. When the reticle drifts over your target, press left mouse button to throw. Was that not in the center? No, I guess it wasn't. Damn, dude. 100. Natural. After every 3 darts, your visit ends. The darts come out and your hand steadies. That's the throwing covered. Dart rules. 501. Both players start at 501 points. Each visit, you throw 3 darts, and your score comes off your total. First to exactly 0 wins the leg. Each slice is worth a number. The thin outer ring doubles it. The thin inner ring triples it. Okay. Outer bull is 25. The bullseye is 50. Triple 20, 60 points is the best dart in the game. Your score, visit total, and darts remaining live here. Throw a visit. Watch your total drop. So triple 20. One catch. You must finish exactly on 0, but on a double or bullseye, go past 0 or leave exactly 1 and you bust. The whole visit is wiped. On a double or the bullseye. Interesting. I know about the bullseye. Time to finish one. You're on 40. Double 20 wins it. The checkout hint suggests a route, but any double that lands you on exactly 0 works. I'm recommending the double 20 here.
Game shot.
Nice. The Roguelike. Dorts is a roguelike. A run is 15 legs across 4 venues. From this den all the way to the big arena. Lose 1 leg and the run is over. Every dart earns gold. Triples, doubles, and bulls pay best, and checkouts pay a fat bonus. Bigger if the crowd loves you. Throw a visit. See what each dart would earn. 5 gold for triple 20. Bull. 8 gold.
110.
Nice. Between legs, you visit the shop. Spend your gold on updates. A bigger bullseye, steadier hand, an extra dart per visit. Upgrades stack, and they last the whole run. Before each run, you can pick an archetype and a starting item. Build round synergies. The late venues will demand it. Mutators and disruptions. Every opponent brings a mutator, a rule twist into the whole leg. For the whole leg. Blitz timers, altered scoring, balloon parties. It's announced before the leg starts. And mid-leg, things disrupt. The longer the leg drags on, the more the venue turns against you. Here's a taste. The board is spinning. Land 3 darts anyway. I guess it doesn't matter if you're going for bullseye, but if you want to do a triple 20.
90.
It gets worse out there. Dimmed lights, shuffled numbers, reverse controls. Some upgrades get instant immunity to a whole category of disruptions. Keep the crowd hot with triples and big checkouts. A hot crowd pays better gold. And then when you're one double from winning a leg, clutch time kicks in. Everything slows down. Everything rides on it. That's the game. You're ready. Good luck out there. All right. Word. Treble is used where it should be triple, no? Single player. Dorts. Darts. Career. Let's do the roguelike. Difficulty normal, steady hand, starting item, big bull, bullseye 15% wider per stack, bigger target, bigger payoff, double agent, double ring is 20% wider, treble trouble, the treble ring. Is it treble? It might be treble. I thought it was triple. Oh, well. Then I was wrong. Monk. Resist disruption with smaller bullseyes. Steadiest aim with smaller trebles and doubles. Bigger bullseye, more sway. Combos reduce sway. Hurt the opponent, boost your score. Extra dart, wider doubles, but wild sway. Dave Chismell. Well, at least he looks happy. Holy shit.
$85. $125.
What the hell?
$140.
140.
$160. 81.
Single 16. Double 20. They're giving me what they think is the best route to get out of here. I missed.
76. 81. Game shot.
Nice. Hangover Cure. Resolve a disruption. I don't have enough money for that 100 gold. High roller. Earn bonus gold for high scoring visits. +5 at 100 plus, +10 at 140 plus, +15 at 180 plus. After burst, your next visit starts with 40% less sway. 3 gold for each consecutive dart that scores. Reset on miss. Oh shit, dude, that sounds pretty good. Tringa Gullible. Why don't I get 2 throws? Don't I have 3 darts?
80. 40. 4. 60. 35.
11s.
84.
Oh, fuck.
21.
Single 5. A double 16.
21.
Double 8.
37.
I fucked it up.
Game shot.
Max score up. After each consecutive treble visit gives 15% less sway. No. Less sway. Zoom in for 75% less sway. What the hell? Okay. Gary Henderson. Sudden death. Both players start at 101. Every visit a checkout attempt. Oh, I see. So the other one was limited to 2 darts, probably. Triple 17 bullseye.
Game shot.
Sniper. Elastic board. 10% wider. Oh, that's interesting. Yakuza darting really took a visual downgrade. Wayne Marbles. Doesn't say, it says less sway, not necessarily slower sway. Wait, why did I only get 60 for that? Did I miss something about the mutator? Shit. I don't know how to read it while I'm here.
$159. 81.
Maybe I can't do the same one twice in a row. I don't know. Oh, and the numbers moved around, see?
Game shot.
Nice. Good on username. Blocks the first disruption, less sway. $4x instead of 3x. Single score 0. Oh, that's gonna be hard to get your checkout though. Oh, I had to sell one. Interesting. Okay, so they can still stack. Simon Warlock. Both start at 1,001. Oh my god. Oh my god. I fucking missed it completely.
100. $140.
Yes, if you hit it too close, it'll just fall off.
121. 26.
Shit. Did I knock? I knocked one off? Oh my god.
85.
I think I knocked one off.
Game shot.
Nice. Inner Demon. Ooh. Bounty Collector. Second win, take the wheel. Arm pilot mode to fly the dart yourself. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, nothing. Adrenaline Junkie, Bull Market, Bounty Collector. I don't have any of these. It's just giving me ones I don't have. Only warm up blast cannon, double agent sniper. Yeah, it's just not giving me any more upgrades. Or I'm missing them, which is also possible. Steady hand, no. Bounty collector, no. Double agent, no. Bull market, no. Thick skin, no. Not giving me anything good. Mikuru Bazuki. Both are at 701, but every point scored also earns that much gold. Oh. And the board's spinning.
$140. $121. Game shot.
Nice. I'm guessing they want me to sell something, but stay painted, huh? It's just re-rolling the same like 5 things. Data headband. Opponent starts at 401, but disruption's -2. What? Is this the Dark Souls 2 of dart games? Might just be. $171. God dang it.
No score.
No score? What do you mean no score?
42.
What? Why did I get no score? Oh, I did my math wrong. Fuck. I'm a fool. I'm a fucking dumbass. I did the math wrong completely.
Game shot.
I almost lost with that too. It's a shame you can't just like force buy these for a higher cost instead of rolling. Michael Van Gerken. Disruptions +5. Disruptions hit hard from dart 1, but you get 2 extra darts per visit. So we get 5 darts? Oh my god, the controls are backwards too. What is that? Oh, timer?
75.
Wait, he doesn't get to spin?
125.
Oh my god.
$68. 180. $140. Game shot.
Jeepers. I think they should be subjected to the same thing I am subjected to. Luke Humpty's Balloon Party. Floating balloons appear each visit. Pop them with your darts to earn random or common or uncommon upgrades. My controls are... Oh no, they're fixed. They're fixed, but I feel weird because I after a bust, your next visit starts with 45% less sway. Oh. I don't want that. Arm pilot mode. That sounds cool, but no thanks. They flipped the controls back, so like up and down is up and down and all that, and it's throwing me for such a loop after they had them backwards for a round.
Game shot.
Oh, is it a couple guys in ninja outfits. I don't think this actually do anything. I don't know if you can re-roll what you have down there. Dentist Beastly. 3 hidden mines lurk on the board. Hit one, boom, 0 points. All 3 detonated. 3 new mines are armed. Yeah, I like knocked some of them off.
$165. Game shot.
Yes. Chris Dobby. It's going to get crowded. No darts are ever removed from the board, yours or theirs, until the leg ends. What in the hell? That's crazy.
$140.
Why did my 20 shrink? Oh, because I missed. So does that recalculate to become an 18 now that the band is wider? Wait, what? Why did they just move?
135.
Controls reversed. Great.
$120.
Rip in peace. All right, interesting enough. I think it's cool that they kind of built in like modifiers and stuff. Look at that. I'm number 2 for the leaderboard today. Apparently, I beat Grizzle Sauce. But it looks like they have a career mode and they have just their classic 501. So yeah, if you're interested in checking out more, I think this comes out soon. Let's see. They've got a demo right now and it's coming out in a little under 2 weeks. So yeah, check that out. I'm gonna take 5 minutes break and I'll be back with some Lured In. I'll see you in a minute. Alrighty, how's it going, guys? I'm back. We're gonna check out Lured In next. Let me boot it up here. Looks like a little chill finish, chill mini game kind of looking thing. Oh, it launched in a window mode. I forgot to get my drink, Mac, and all on yours. Boy Bert. I got a water bottle here next to me. I'll open up in a minute here. All right, play. Go on, slow. Hey there, kiddo. I'm glad you're taking the reins. Sorry, the music's like blaring a bit. On my aquarium. Your grandma needs help with baking anyway. I've let this place run down a bit, but now's your chance to renovate it and create a thriving business. Gas station sushi? Ugh. Game's loud. It should be better now, yeah? Travel to the pond to catch some fish. And I'll meet back with you here. Okay. I went and got more real sushi than gas station sushi, but sink your hook. Press or space when the hook crosses the fish icon. Fish pond. Bluegill. I went to the sushi place doing like a Persona crossover. It's the 20th anniversary Persona, blah, blah, blah. 30th, 40th? You know what I mean. Ah, fuck. Ah, fuck. Nice. Goldfish. The thing with the gas station sushi is it's like, you know, probably delivered on a truck, and who knows how long it's been out there. Like, whenever the indicator shows enter the colored region. I think nowadays, I don't think it's as much of a health safety concern because they're always so like on top of that, but I fought pretty hard for goldfish. Yeah, it did. Great work. Go ahead and sell some of your new fish from your inventory. His voice changed while we were gone, by the way. I'm not feeling Okoi. I've got an old tank lying around that I'm not using anymore. Go grab it for free from the shop and start generating some passive income. Okay. We just get money for having a tank? I didn't put any fish in it. Oh, looks like I forgot to clean it. Go ahead and press left click on the tank and use your sponge to wipe it out. Grandpa, it just feels like you're making me do labor. Well, your grandma needs help baking, and I need somebody to run the store. That is true. They've made significant strides in making the rules less enforced. Now move a fish from your inventory into your tank and watch the cash flow in. If you don't have any more, just go catch more from the pond. His voice has changed like 6 times. I'm sorry. God damn it, Jason. I didn't say to sell all your fish. I just said some of them. Until the bar reaches a number, then start mashing. Afterward, hold it again. What the hell? Oh, I see. You know, your mother always said you are a fuck up, and I said, no, he's not, but I can see that I was wrong. I don't know why Grandpa's so mean. Move to tank. Passive $1 a minute. Goldfish. It's too cheery for you. What do you mean? We gotta sponge out the tank in 12 minutes. Great work, kiddo. I know you'll take good care of the place. I hope you could bring it back to its former glory. That's all from me for now. Good luck, and I'll be watching the fish swim by from time to time. Your grandmother needs her dough needed. He hasn't even left yet. Oh, I vaporized Grandpa! Oh, he's back. I killed Grandpa! Oh, fuck. I keep killing the customers. It's too cheery for Grandpa killing music, yeah. A minnow. I don't know what 2x time means. It means it takes 2 times longer? Oops, all minnows today, apparently. This minigame I hate the most. I have such a hard time controlling it. Oh. Oh, I could buy grass and stuff for him. Oh, look, they're kissing. I don't know, like, how I just passively earn money, I guess. Oh yeah, my money's ticking up slowly. Fishpedia. Research. Oh! Researcher. That was all my money, but we can just hire a research team? Fishopedia, fish food. Lets you feed the fish for bonuses. Oh. Lake. Unlocks the lake fishing region. Ooh. Marketing. Unlocks upgrades to your marketing for customers. Oh. Equipment. Unlocks upgrades for your fishing equipment. Oh. Rotating. Rotate the handle around with the mouse to catch the fish. The first one I couldn't do was just clicking. Ow, why would you bite me? Ow, ow, stop. Ow, stop it.
Why are you being like this, huh?
You could just buy more capacity for your fish tank. Fishpedia 200, 100. Marketing. Whereas 5. That's easy enough. Money. Take donations. Do any bonuses for that? Or is it just literal decorations? Vine boom sound effect. Get the Fishpedia. I tried to put him in the tank. It didn't let me. I vaporized him instead by mistake. Three bluegills. Great. we'll take care of this here. Ooh, a carp. I got 2 carps? I got 1 carp. Maybe it counts. A weight of Sue. I'm gonna buy another tank, I think, but I'm gonna clean this one out. Wow. Lures. Yeah, let's get lures. Shiny lure. Agile lure. Worm lure. Special lure. Maybe I should have unlocked the lake here. Sounds like one of those Christmas songs. Wonderful Christmas time. Aww. It's sped up. Oranda. Oh, I see they kind of pulse when you can afford them. I want to buy the lake next, I think. Why does it always rain as soon as I get here? Eat birds, buddy. Who's in charge of cutting your claws? Lake, $100 to travel to the lake? Holy shit. I should have bought the upgrade to my pack before I went here. Channel catfish. Or Chanel catfish is one of those fancy ones. Nice. You can stay, bird. Just stretching, dude. You're offline when I'm not playing? Let's see. Get the weather station. We should save up for some lures. shit. A Rudd. Oh, fuck, I clicked early. Another channel catfish. A tilapia. Delicious. He's gonna do all catfish because they're worth $7 a piece, $7 a minute. Excuse me. Oh, a chef. Chef's offer. I need some fish for my restaurant. How does this deal sound? 3 Chanel catfish for $804? That's all my catfish. Okay. Thanks. That was a nice little idle kind of game. Use my shiny lure. I probably have to clean out those tanks soon too, don't I? And a Rudd. Nice. A rainbow trout. Oh. They certainly are nibbling much faster. Another Rudd. Oh, shit. What's going on, Phoenix? Is this cookie clear with fish? I mean, kinda. There's little mini games to catch the fish and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna say it's like the same, but I think our research is loading us up right now. Maybe I buy more research. Yeah, I need some fish for my restaurant. I just sold them, dude. Sorry. Literally just sold them. Rudd. Northern pike. Oh, that's some big fish. Rainbow trout. Rainbow trout again. Very nice. Grandpa. Come on, Ernie. What are you doing, Bert? Yes, rub all over the microphone. Thank you. $24 per minute. Weight of 3 though. Let's fish some of the lower fish, so in case the chef comes back asking for 3 sardines, we can sell him some. Jeepers! That was a hard one. Or we just fail over and over. Figure out what this is on my hand. It's a fucking wound from where Bert cut me just now. I didn't realize that. Little shit. I didn't realize he cut a hole in my fucking hand. Is that just cloud coverage? An oranda. Is that the name Geometric is taken? Probably. Another koi. Another carp. Guess who fell asleep? You. A bluegill. What do you want, chef? 1 goldfish. For wait, what? You're gonna pay 1.5K for a goldfish? Sure, buddy. I don't need a goldfish that bad. Small, yeah, he's gonna serve the goldfish at his restaurant. Some of the designer fish are extremely expensive. Yeah, I'm not expecting them to really put designer fish on the menu, though. Are you? Especially not designer goldfish. They don't even swarm it? Doesn't seem to cost me anything to use that. Yeah, they should do Twitch integration to get your name. Smallmouth bass. Rainbow trout. Oh, fuck. A Chanel catfish. Ooh. A rud. Gotta reel him in, reel him in, reel him in. Maybe we'll try it. I'm assuming that 2 is good. Northern pike. Very nice. Still got 5 minutes left. I don't think I have a third. Yeah. the matter, buddy? I had a pet fish. Yeah, I had a beta fish. We need 160, 1,600 to get that. God, I can't talk. I might be having a death of the brain. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I ever had a beta that lasted more than a year or two, unfortunately, but $10K for their tank. Oh boy. Small mouth base. Do I have to clean your ears out too, buddy? Rud. I tried cleaning out Ernie's ears. He's in like the liquid. He did not like it. I did it yesterday. Or was it 2 days ago? No, it was yesterday. And I think I got more of the cleaner in my mouth than I got in his ears. He immediately shook his ears all over the place and went right in my mouth. What do you want, Chef? Bluegill. But he's not have any. No, he's not have any. How much is he going for it? 4K. Or just go to the pond and get you one, dude. Yeah, I've managed to get them to the point where I can grab their eye gunk out easy enough. Yeah, it was revenge. I know, the instructions just say to, like, pour it in his ear. And then, like, use a cotton swab to get out stuff. It's like, okay, he's gonna just give it a squirt in his ear, like... His ears are pretty bad because Ernie's ears are pretty bad because Bert would be the one that would clean them, but Bert has had the cone on for the last like million months, so he doesn't anymore. But yeah, I was thinking cotton ball. I don't know what I said, but I have the gauze like cotton pads. That's what I was using. I just don't want to have to go to the vet to have it cleaned, you know, because that's too late, you know, when I have a ear infection or whatever. The bluegills just don't exist, I don't think. What? I was right there, dude. Oh my god. Gotta go clean those tanks. I got one more fish to catch. Oh, one bluegill. Got it. Okay. Chef, my friend. Here you go. Oh, that's not too bad. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Stop! I'm trying to grab and move. This one needs to be cleaned. Oh shit, I vaporized her. Can I make them research over here? Doesn't seem to lower my input, my score. Why am I vaporizing people? Well, Grandpa's being mean to us. That's not Grandpa. Ooh. Ooh. We can get the river. I already had the river. Oh no, we're at the lake. I gotta save up for another one. It costs $1,000 to go to the river? What do we got? A walleye, huh? A sockeye salmon. A largemouth bass. A largemouth bass. Oh, very nice. Ooh. Added 5. $100K. Oof. What do we got? There was one that can stick in there. These guys. Oh, the chef's here. What do you want, chef? 1 minnow for 7K? Alright, buckaroo. They all escaped confinement. Damn it. It's a money laundering scheme. Good Maui's, yeah. Looks familiar, the starfish home. Very nice. No, I know Big Wrestler. It's a game. I don't think they're going that deep into it. Listen, it's just a nice, relaxing, fun game. You don't have to worry about it. Why does some of the decorations cost 10,000? All right. Ed soon. 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds. A beta fish. Yeah, but it was a specially formulated stick, right? A walleye. Hold on a second. I forgot I was supposed to be logging. Walleye. The beta. Ooh. Alpha, beta. What's next with these kids? Omega. He needs 2 carp. I have a carp somewhere I can give him. The tank full of ruds. I don't think I have any carp, do I? Nope. Carp in the pond. Let's see if we get him a carp, huh? No, I think he wants it named. I don't think he'll accept that. Bluegill. There's a carp. He's still here? Yeah, he is. For 11K? No reason not to. Got to shine your tank up once you're done. Research larger tanks. $50K for a large tank? You're kidding me. Be there in a second. We're at 41K. Oh. Like 80 seconds. I don't know how I'm so tired. I do know how. It's because Ronnie wouldn't let me sleep very well. We're almost there. Whoa. It only holds 10? This holds 9. Look, this earns me 143 per minute. This gets me $50. Pressurized. A Wally for 15K? I think I got one of those, don't I? Do I not have one? Did I just sell it? I might have just sold it. Well, shit. Let's go find where they live. In the river. Where are all the walleyes at? Eel. Eel. Largemouth bass. No, I needed the Wally. I didn't get a Wally. A catfish. Ah, it's gotta give him a cat face. Hawkeye salmon. There's a walleye. Sure. Nice and clean. Do I have to clean this out? Yeah, I guess I do. Legendary catfish. I hate Mondays. Snake of the sea. I hate Mondays. See, the addition of those two fish, the catfish and the eel, made that go up in price so much. I guess I do have almost an extra half the fish, but you know. It's those tank sensors. A little bit more of this, I think. Do I need to get over here? 1.6k? Yeah, it's not even very. Another walleye. Oops. Please increase the size of my sponge. I don't think what the best thing to do right now is. I gotta get a lot more research into the ocean. Where's Grandpa? Get in the tank, Grandpa. Oh well. All right, I think I'd be done with this. I liked it. Nice little idle game. Maybe not what I would normally do on stream, just because I don't know what to say in between idles. But you know, it's still a fun little thing. It looks like you can check out a demo for that as well, or the full game is $8. So pretty cool. I think that's all I'm gonna do for today. I'm feeling a little on the tired side today, so I think I will save us both from sitting here saying, what do I want to play? So, I hope you all have a good night, and hopefully I will see you tomorrow. A lot of demos are coming up soon, so that's actually one of the things I wanted to do before I go to bed tonight is figure out what demos I'm playing soon. So, another one of those demo fests is starting like Monday. So, anyway, you all have a good one. I'll catch you later.